Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a beginner trying to get a grip on your finances, you've probably heard of Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. I use it almost every day, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my budgeting. Today, I'm cutting the fluff and giving you my best, straight-to-the-point Rocket Money tips specifically for beginners. These are the steps I use to go from where did my money go, to confidently managing my cash. Let's dive in. 1. Tip 1. The essential first step, linking accounts. My first tip is the absolute foundation: link every single financial account. Don't just link your primary checking account. Link your savings, your credit cards, and even your investment accounts. Rocket Money is powerful because it gives you a single, panoramic view of your money. For beginners, this immediately shows you your true net worth, assets minus debts. Before I did this, I was only budgeting the money in my checking account and ignoring my credit card debt. Link everything, and suddenly, you have the full picture needed to budget effectively. 2. Tip 2. Taming the subscription beast. Tip number 2 is the feature Rocket Money is most famous for, and for good reason: aggressively review the subscriptions list. I was shocked when I first saw how many recurring charges I had forgotten about: that gym membership from 2 years ago, the streaming service I never use. Rocket Money organizes this all for you. My advice? Be ruthless. Ask yourself for every subscription, did I use this last month? If the answer is no, cancel it immediately right there in the app. This is the fastest, easiest money you will save as a beginner. Money bag 3. Tip 3. Implementing the 50/30/20 rule. My third tip is how to actually structure your budget. Use the 50/30/20 rule as your starting point. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, minimum debt payments. 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, hobbies. 20% for savings and extra debt payoff. Rocket Money's budgeting tool allows you to set target amounts for your spending categories. Use those wants categories, like restaurants or shopping, to track your 30%. The app will give you a warning when you get close to your limit, which is exactly what a beginner needs for discipline. Don't worry about being perfect, just get the categories set up and start tracking. 4. Tip 4. Monitor the amount left after bills. My fourth, crucial tip is to live by the number Rocket Money gives you for the amount left after bills. Once you set up your income and all your fixed bills, rent, utilities, etc., this number tells you exactly how much money you have left over for everything else, your variable expenses like food, gas, and fun. This is your real spending money. If you only have $1,500 left after bills, you know all your other budgeted categories combined cannot exceed that. Checking this figure daily keeps your spending in check and prevents you from overdrafting or dipping into savings. 5. Tip 5. Set auto-savings goals. Finally, tip number 5, and this is where you start building wealth: turn on auto-savings. As a beginner, saving can feel daunting. Rocket Money has a feature where it analyzes your spending habits and automatically moves small, safe amounts of money into a designated savings goal, like an emergency fund, without you even thinking about it. It's money you wouldn't have missed anyway. This simple automation is how you build a financial cushion effortlessly, and it's one of the best ways I've reinforced positive habits. So, to recap the 5 best beginner tips. Link every account for the full picture. Cancel subscriptions for instant savings. Use 50/30/20 to set your spending targets. Live by the amount left after bills number. Turn on auto savings for passive growth. That's it, no complicated formulas, just actionable steps you can take today inside the app. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical personal finance tips.